It's been a long time. So as a reminder, the Gathering Inn is a Placer County nonprofit that's been awarded a more than $6 million grant to build a 105-bed respite center in the heart of downtown Lincoln. In their lawsuit, the city says the grant was obtained through a fraudulent application. The Gathering Inn maintains they followed all the rules and procedures.
It'll be devastating to our general fund, to our public safety.
Tuesday morning, the attorney for the state made the case that the city of Lincoln should not be able to present new evidence in this lawsuit. The judge had already made a tentative ruling in the case and said the city could present new evidence in response to that tentative ruling. But with the state's new arguments today, the judge will make a new ruling soon as to whether the city can amend their case.
Well, we're waiting to hear whether she's going to let us keep our 10 days leave to amend. We think she will. I think our lawyers did a really great job presenting our case, and I don't think she's going to go back on that. So I think we'll still have it, but we'll hear soon.
The courtroom was filled with citizens from Lincoln who say that the proposed respite center's location is a huge problem since it's close to several schools. After the hearing, they made their opinions known to the opposing counsel.
Shame on all of you! I hope someday you guys get karma!
Enjoy your last few time on earth. The devil's waiting for you.
Going down. If anything happens to our kids, it's going to be on your hands!
Lincoln's Mayor Holly Andreotta has spearheaded this lawsuit. She says the city was left in the dark about the Gathering Inn's plans, and as a result, the details of the respite center are not conducive to a safe city.
Our city is very safe and very secure right now, and our teams do a really great job. But if the Gathering Inn is allowed to pump in over 400 homeless a year into this facility, we can't keep up with that. It'll be devastating to our general fund, to our public safety, to our staff, mentally, emotionally, physically, and also our business community. It's not something that we can sustain ever.
The attorney for the city of Lincoln said Tuesday it's simply not fair that a city of 52,000 residents would house the state's third largest respite center. The two larger centers are in San Francisco and Los Angeles.
It's completely unfair, specifically since the Gathering Inn and the state, they disregarded the state's own guidelines to reach out to us.
Today, the state maintained that the Gathering Inn, in fact, did not break any rules or guidelines of the application process, adding the application is not the law. Now, the Gathering Inn did not want to do an interview today, but they did say this about the tentative ruling made by the judge. In part, quote, the court's decision affirms that the Gathering Inn successfully followed the state's requirements in the process to open a new medical respite facility in Lincoln, California. We look forward to the court's final ruling so we can move forward with delivering vital medical respite services to people in need, end quote. Now, there has not been that final ruling in the lawsuit. That'll come after the city of Lincoln amends their case if it is allowed by the judge, which again is what she's deciding after today's hearing.